Onto my main website here. This is my business, gpgdata.com. You'll see I try to put up a lot of different posts here and everything, but if you really read into it, what I am all about is data and proof to actually backing up theories. And so what this is, this whole concept surrounds the idea of business loans. And this is the site that I had put together. This is obviously a terrible site, but once again, I'm all about data and actually proving concepts before putting in a bunch of time or investing a bunch of money into it. So I had put together this little squeeze page just to develop the actual concept. But what it is just helping business owners actually find capital. Now, where we make money is when we actually connect them with the lender, and then we earn percentages from the lender. And so, okay, well, what's the hardest thing in any business is actually generating leads. And so, like I said, everything is about proof, and I have these other inboxes here open so that you can see that I already have the strategy for pushing people to a web page in regards to the business loans. We can just come into here and you'll see I've obviously ran test campaigns. And I mean, there's further details below, but you can see there's all sorts of people that have replied, like, if you need capital for your business, I can help, right? This is an example of, and you'll see kind of below on what I'm actually doing. But this is a message I'd sent to them. This is a lead that was actually generated from somebody who's interested in getting capital for their business. We go back, and I mean, you see just tons of them that I've actually been able to generate already. Establish a revolving line of credit. Okay, well, are these people even real? Let's go to that stage. Okay, here is actually a gentleman that I had spoken with and even brought in all of his merchant statements, documentation, and everything, and was able to get them approved for and funded for an actual deal. So the process as a whole does work. And so this is something that I have been testing for quite some time. You could see here, even with if you go down by the dates, I mean, even since really March of last year, really. And so even to give you further proof that off of something simple like this, well, does it really work? I even took the time and ran some campaigns, and then you'll see here in my other inbox, this is actually this business needs money from Money for Use, right? This is the guy, Roger, and he's saying, he sells aluminum ballasters and connector screws, and he needs more money for inventory and new equipment, name and email and everything. So the overall process does work. I have proved it. What the investment is really needed for is to take this to the next level. So developing, a whole new website, obviously the logo, spending a lot more time on that, attaching, an affiliate program to it, all sorts of things to actually build it out so that as I am pushing people here, and also the tools, to be able to push people here, but then I am pushing people here, we're going to have a much higher conversion for the people that I do send so that the opportunity becomes a lot higher and getting a lot more deals funded. So this is it in a nutshell. Like I said, I mean, it's always about proof. And so this is to show you actually, this has been tested. It's not just a fly-by-night idea. There is a lot of validity behind everything that I do actually state. So take the time, read beneath. Like I said, it explains a little bit more, and I'm certainly more than happy to work with you if you can kind of meet the criteria that I seek. Look forward to hearing from you. Take care.